Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off Netflix profile transfer, account control step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to netflix.com and make sure you are on the official Netflix website. Click sign in if you are not already signed in. Enter the email and password for the account owner. After signing in, select the main profile that manages the account settings. Look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, click Account. On the Account page, scroll down until you see the Settings section. Find the option related to Profile Transfer or Profile Transfer feature. If you see Profile Transfer, click the small arrow or link next to it to open the setting. Read the short description to confirm you are changing profile transfer permissions. Choose the option that disables profile transfer for the account. If Netflix shows a checkbox, uncheck the box that allows profile transfer. If Netflix shows a toggle switch, switch it to off. Click Save or confirm if Netflix asks you to apply the change. Wait a moment for the page to refresh and register the new setting. Scroll again to the same section to verify that profile transfer is now turned off. If you do not see the profile transfer setting, scroll further down to Security and Privacy options. Click Manage Access and Devices to review account activity if needed. Go back to the account page and look for Profiles and Parental Controls. Select any profile and check whether profile transfer is available per profile in your region. If profile transfer appears inside a profile menu, disable it there as well. If you share the account, tell other users that profile transfers are now blocked. On TVs and streaming devices, open Netflix to ensure the change applies across devices. If someone already started a transfer earlier, sign out and sign back in to refresh permissions. If the option still does not appear, update the Netflix app or try a different browser. If you manage a family account, consider changing the password to maintain full account control. For help specific to your country, open Netflix Help Center and search Profile Transfer Turn Off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.